I am Mr. Law from Excel Software. I wonder if anyone has encountered this situation where the company's salesman often argues because he sees that when another salesman makes a deal, the price is cheaper than his. Companies are even more outrageous. The same customer can have 2 salesmen, 3 salesmen providing service, but each salesman offers a different price. Some companies have healthy competition and allow salesmen to handle the same customer. But in such situations, if a company wants to avoid unnecessary disputes, I suggest using the AutoCount filter by salesman module.
This filter by salesman module in AutoCount can filter so that he only sees his own customer names or his own orders, or he can also view the entire teams. If he is handling 2 or 3 sales agents, he can manage and view the sales reports, documents, or client lists of those 2 or 3 sales agents. This filter by salesman module is not just for salesmen or sales agents. It can also be applied for those purchase agents.
And so without further ado, let me show how AutoCount handles this filter by salesman where there is a lot of competition among salesmen. In AutoCount, first you need to have this module. Go to Program Control Module Setting, and you must have this module called Filter by Salesman. You enabled this module. Oh, you see currently it has no control without any setting. It has no control. All customers can be seen, Pak Tarik or Nora. Going back to debtor maintenance, you can also see Nora, Pak Tarik, and blank agent. Blank agent can also be seen. However, we can do the setting. The setting is in general maintenance, user maintenance. Let's say I add this Pak Tarik PT. PT username is PT, password PT. Then this is an admin user, but he filters by agent. He can only see Pak Tarik's documents. You see here, if he has more than 1 agent's items, he can see, he just checks. If he is alone, he can see his own documents. We just check the sales agent's name. And of course, it can apply to the purchase agent. This is not just for a sales agent, it can also apply to a purchase agent. If he is responsible for ordering and also for sales at the same time, then you can use this to set it at the same time with 1 password set for the same person. In this situation, you see he is PT. We log into the second user and we don't log out the first user. We log in at the same time that PT user and we see what the effect will be. You see this PT is filtered by that salesman. You see now he can only see PT's documents, and that debtor, he can only see 2 debtors. Now, if you notice, all these documents above have a filter by agent. If you see, there will be a filter by agent text here. Alright, so if we look at the admin's user, this is the admin user. This admin user can see all the agent's documents and can also see all the debtors, including the debtors of blank agents. Back to our filter by salesman. This can only see PT, and similarly all the reports. When you want pre-listing and sales reports, even if it lets you choose Nora or Pak Tarik, the data that comes out can only show you PT's data. No matter if you have the access rights to see all the money reports or not, in the end, you can only see the sales report of your own customer. This is a very powerful feature of AutoCount. In addition, the report also has a filter by that screen. Finally, what I want to mention is that it can also do this. Currently, when creating a document, it still allows you to select other customers. However, if you don't want him to see even this customer and he can only see his own customers, then we first need to do a setting. In the tools option here, there is this apply filter by agent lookup editor function. After you set this, log into AutoCount again using Pak Tarik's passwords. Now, when we create an invoice, you will see that it only allows him to select the debtor related to his sales agent. So after filtering here, he cannot see other debtors. This is a stricter setting. If you say it's okay, they can still see it, it's just that they're not the main agent, then don't apply this setting. Basically, there are just these simple settings. The whole filter by agent is also very easy to operate, easy to understand, and a very powerful function. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you, everyone.